Looking for an affordable, bright Netflix licensed projector for a movie night? Check out the BladeCine Cube 600. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba. Welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing if you like useful tech for the family like me. In today's video, let's unbox and check out the BladeCine Cube 600. It's one of the brightest projector at its affordable price range, $500 or even as low as $350 with discounts in the link I'll include in the description below. It comes well packed inside this nice styrofoam box. Works as a good carrying case with a handle too. Unlock these couple of latches on the top to open the box. The projector is further protected with a foam wrap. Inside the small white box, there's the power cable and the remote. Good that batteries are included. There's also a good, colorful detail manual. The projector is in a cube shape, sitting on an integrated gimbal stand. There is enough clearance on all sides for the projector to swirl 360 degrees all the way around, so the lens can be pointed in any direction. On the bottom of the stand, there are 4 rubber feet so the projector doesn't slide around. There's also a tripod mount in the middle, very flexible for setting up the projector anywhere. It measures about 9 inches by 7.5 inches, almost 10 inches tall with the stand. All plastic, so not too heavy at just a bit over 7 pounds. It's mostly black except for the front, which is in gray. In the front, there is a big lens. There is this thin plastic cover. Even though it's fully sealed, it'd be nice if it comes with a better lens cap. The projector is very bright for this price range at 600 ISO lumens, with the help of a 4.5-inch high transparency pure glass panel inside. It's native 1080p, but supports 4K decoding and HDR10. There are autofocus and infrared receivers next to the logo. The Cube 600 has auto keystone correction and autofocus, which make positioning the projector much easier. We'll try these features out later in the video. There are 2 10-watt speakers built in. The projector is Dolby Audio certified. On the top, there is a big power button. Ports are all on the back. There is an Ethernet port. Wi-Fi is supported as well. 2 USB-A ports, 2 HDMI 1.4 ports, port 2 supports ARC, a headphone jack, and another infrared signal receiver. The power input is on the lower right corner. Cube 600 comes with a good remote. It has a similar layout as a streaming device remote. There is a power button on the top, an input toggle button in the middle with focus adjustment buttons on both sides, navigation buttons in the middle, return, home, menu buttons, volume down and up with the mute button in the middle. There are 4 shortcut app buttons for Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and a web browser. The remote is backlit, which is great for this price range. Alright, let's plug the Cube 600 in and set it up to see how well it works. Here I have it just sitting on top of a coffee table pointing at the projector screen. The image is about 100 inches and the projector is about 10 feet away. The room is completely dark now, so the 600 lumens of brightness is looking quite nice. The projector can be set up in different orientations, standard or upside down hung from the ceiling, front or back projection. With auto keystone and autofocus features, I can move the position of the projector easily. You can set the keystone to auto-correct after boot, or after the projector is moved. It'll automatically adjust the keystone to get all the corners of the image to be straight 90 degrees angles. It'll also try to avoid an obstacle in the way. If needed, the keystone can be adjusted manually by grabbing the corners and moving them under the keystone adjustment menu. The focus can also be adjusted and fine-tuned manually. There's a digital zoom to adjust the image between 50% to 100%. These features make it easy to move the projector around in the house or outdoors. I can also simply turn the projector up and watch a movie on the ceiling lying in bed. Cube 600 has many of the streaming apps already pre-installed. Here on the home screen, there are officially licensed apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video already installed. There are many other apps like the browser and some simple games. Cube 600 has its own app store with even more apps to choose from, like Plex and some simple games. Some of the popular streaming apps such as Disney Plus and Max are missing, so an external streaming device like a Roku stick can be used with one of the HDMI ports to support those. Files can also be played from an external drive plugged into one of the USB ports. Content can also be casted from an iOS or Android devices, or file from a network drive. The projector can also be used as a Bluetooth speaker. Very flexible. Let's play one of my YouTube videos.
Want to put a Rolex or custom watch face on your Apple Watch? There is now an app for it. Hi, this is David of
Quite good. I mean, image is clear, sound is full and loud enough to fill the room. How about a 4K HDR video? Not bad at all. The color is good, contrast and black level aren't the greatest, not as bright and sharp compared to an expensive home theater projector, but not bad at all for a projector at this price range for casual viewing. Besides watching movies on a big screen, kids, okay, and I also love playing games on it. The BladeCine Cube 600 retails for $499 US, which is a good price for a projector this bright with all the features. There's currently a good discount in the link I'll put in the description below. Have you tried a good, affordable projector? Let me know in the comment section below if you've also found a good one. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. It helped me out a lot. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and check out this video next. I'll see you in that next one. Until then, God bless and remember to cherish each moment. Thanks to BladeCine for sending this out for me to try and share with you.